Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Samsung SCX-3401 printer driver in Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In a property, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I'm going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type Samsung SCX-3401 printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com. Samsung printers and the HP printers are now combined. So all Samsung printer drivers are on the HP printer. Open the first link from our HP printer. An official website is open. Here we find our printer name. Wait for a few seconds. Here we find our printer name and here we find our operating system and bit. Okay, if bit is not right or the OS is not right, operating system is not right, then click on choose a different OS. Select Windows 10 64-bit or Windows 10 32-bit. And if you have any problem, then you can use any 32-bit link or any 64-bit link. All are same, and click on this update button. And after that, this page goes to the refresh. After that, scroll down. Here we find driver product installation software, expand it. Here we find basic drivers, expand it. Here we find the scanner driver. Here we find our scanner driver, and here we find our printer driver. First, I download my printer driver. I click on the download. It's redirect you to the another web page. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it, and drag this setup file to desktop. Our printer setup file, close it. Next step is go to our web browser once again, go to the back, and here go to the driver, go to the main web page. Here we find printer driver, printer name, operating system. Scroll down. Here we find driver product installation software, expand it, basic drivers, expand it, and here we find our scanner driver. Here we find the scanner driver. Click on the download. And it's redirect to another page. Download is started. It's completed now. Go to the downloads. Click on show in folder. Minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Okay. Here we find our scanner part. Okay. And here we find our printer part. Now we are going to unzip these files or go to the here setup file. Right click on it. Click on run as an administrator. Wait for a few seconds. Click on yes. It's asked for the two things, install or extract. You can go to the install or extract. I go to the extract all. I click on the OK. Now I go to the desktop. On desktop, I click on make a new folder. I'm Q name my. Okay, you can give any name. Select that folder. Click on OK and click on the OK. Okay, now it's extracted. Go to that folder. Here we find our drivers and we are going to install this drivers. That is very easy. Close it. Go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, at the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on your screen. The new options are the printer that I want recently state. Click on that. Close it. Here we find many options. Go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port. Click it here, and if you find any port named USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004, select any USB port that you find. Select USB port. Click on the next. Wait for a few seconds. Click on have a disk. Click on browse. Go to the desktop. Select the folder, and here we find printer. Go to the printer. In a printer we find SPL. Select SPL. In a SPL we find one file. Select that file, whatever that file is. Select that file. Click on open. Click on OK. Here we find Samsung SCX-3400 series. It is a series printer. Select that printer and click on the next. Okay, in this series printer our printer name 3401 is also included. Give any name that you like. I give 3401 Samsung SCX 3401 and click on the next. It is installing our printer and it's take less than 1 minute, so be patient and wait for few seconds. After that, if you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. First option, click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finish. Next step is install our scanner driver. That is also easy and simple. Go to our scanner driver, double click on our scanner driver, wait for a few seconds, click on the yes. Install, I click on the install. You can also click on the extract. I click on the install, click on the OK. Now installation is process start in a few seconds. Okay, you accept the terms and condition, click on the next. Use USB. If you USB network or wireless, use USB. I prefer to go with the USB, but my printer is now attached, not attached to my PC or laptop, so I select this. You can select USB also. You can select USB. Okay, that is very IMP, and click on the next. Now it is installing our printer. It's take 1 or 2 minutes, so be patient and wait for a few minutes to properly install it, or click on directly to the next. Okay, now click on the next, and it's installing our scanner driver and it's take 1 or 2 minutes. So be patient and wait for 1 or 2 minutes to properly install this scanner driver on our PC or laptop. Wait for a few seconds. Our printer is almost, our scanner part is almost done. Click on the next. Setup is completed. Click on the next. Click on the finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name Samsung SCX-3401, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.